Tired of the Pizu fog in your Minecraft world, hindering your epic adventures? Let's clear that up. First, address your render distance. Find video settings in your Minecraft options. This is where you start the magic. See the render distance slider. This slider dictates how far you can see. Lower values contribute to increased fog and density in the atmosphere. Adjust the slider. Experiment. Start by gently increasing it. 16 chunks is a good starting point, but go higher based on your system's capabilities. Remember, better visibility might mean decreased performance. Seeing that thick fog? Adjust your settings. Back to video settings, boost the render distance, and look what happens. Much improved. The fog is noticeably thinner now, making everything easier to see and allowing you to see much further away. Now, what if you still have some fog? Sometimes a resource pack is needed. Go back video settings and modify quality settings, especially the particles. Particle effects can sometimes influence the appearance of fog. Lowering or switching them off might help increase visibility a little. Another option is resource packs. Some packs are designed to edit the default fog visuals. Search online for Minecraft Fog Remover resource pack and download one. Activate it within Minecraft and you will be able to explore the world with far less visual obstruction. With a few quick tweaks, you've conquered that annoying fog and have improved the experience overall. Happy exploring!